In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your Google Slides presentation in just a few minutes. This simple technique can add a professional touch to your slides, enhancing their visual appeal and helping to highlight important content. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do so now to access the full range of features available. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage where the magic happens. Once there, you have the flexibility to either start with a blank presentation or choose from one of the templates offered. Selecting a blank slide is often best if you want complete control over the design elements, but don't hesitate to explore the templates if you're looking for something to kickstart your creative process. Now that you have your slide open, look towards the upper menu and click on the option labeled Insert. This menu is where you can bring external elements into your presentation, adding another layer of creativity and personality. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Image. This selection provides a way to bring in pictures from various sources. You'll see several options, and you'll want to select Search the Web. This is an incredibly handy tool built into Google Slides that allows you to find images directly from the web without needing to leave your presentation. In the search bar that appears on the right-hand side of your screen, type the word border. This search will yield numerous border designs you can choose from. As you scroll through the results, select an image that fits the aesthetic of your presentation. Keep in mind the color, style, and thickness of the border image. These elements should complement the rest of your slide for a cohesive look. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and then click on the Insert button. The border image will now appear on your slide. It's important to adjust its size and alignment to frame the slide content properly. Click and drag the corners to resize it, maintaining the proportions to avoid any distortion. You can also drag it around the slide to position it exactly where you want. And there you have it, you've successfully added a border to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, these subtle enhancements can make a significant impact, drawing your audience's attention and emphasizing key points. Experiment with different styles and colors to find the combination that best represents your presentation's theme. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.